Exposing the secret talents of pelicans. These birds are way cooler than you think. Pelicans aren't just about that big beak, they're the ultimate fishing pros. Their pouch can hold more than their stomach. It's like having a built-in shopping bag. And get this, some pelican species work together to herd fish. Yeah, teamwork makes the fish dream work. Oh, and here's a shocker. They've been around for 30 million years. That's older than most. And that giant wingspan? It can stretch over 3 meters. That's like 2 surfboards side by side. So next time you see a pelican, give them a nod. They're ancient, strategic, and straight up awesome. Thanks for soaring through these facts with me. Like for more wild wonders.